What's up, bud? He is strapped in. We are good parents. Not to worry. Oh my God. Oh God. Alright, we're not that good at parents. Yeah, probably shouldn't have the glass near him. Oh my God. It's working out. Oh, frustration. No, buddy, it's okay. I don't know what I think he's
trying to eat that.
What'd you say?
She's monkey.
He's a monkey? Oh, he wants his monkey.
He wants his monkey over there.
No, he's not going for the monkey. I gave it to him before. Hey, Animal. Let me pull him back up here. There you go. He's trying to eat it?
I think so. I don't know what to say. Alright, don't worry.